that nigga a rat. Yeah, can't fuck with that nigga a rat. He talking about motion, these niggas be cap. SB cap, nigga take off your hat. Like nigga you lagging, I point at my map. Like nigga you high, you ain't getting no dap. You talking about motion, but nigga you whack. Remember that time, let me bring it right back. Like nigga you sweet, got stripped for your back.
I just took that nigga face off. Hell yeah.
What's going on, y'all? Today we're gonna be doing a video on how to clean a fucking AR/ARP. So all you're gonna need for this fucking video is two things: your left hand and your fucking right hand, bro. You got two of them shits, then goddamn it, you can take this bitch apart in fucking 30 seconds. Before handling any firearm, you already know what the fuck we do. Make sure it's empty. As you can see, there's no fucking magnet, so that's a start. Go ahead and make sure there's no rounds in that motherfucker. And we're good to go. So this video is gonna work with both AR pistols and ARs. They both got the same fucking setup. I don't know why the fuck they're classified differently, but fuck it, I don't give a fuck. Fuck the ATF. Don't give a shit. So basically, you got these two pins right here on your AR or ARP. Both of them have this shit. This is what separates your upper from your lower. So you push these bad boys in, and then they're gonna stick a little bit out on the other side. What you're gonna do is just grab it, literally just pull it out. So it sticks up like that. It's not gonna come all the way out. It'll just get stuck like that. So don't worry about losing them shits. This one's a little stuck. All right. And after that, shit comes across, or it comes out just like that. You feel me? After you got that shit separated, you might as well put your lower down because there's literally nothing else you really need to do with it. All that matters now is just your upper part. Go ahead and flip it over. So you're gonna need to take out the internals. In order to do that, you're gonna use your motherfucking charging handle. Pull it out. This shit comes out just like that, simple. And the charging handle comes out also. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do is be taking out the firing pin. First, we got to take out this other little pin up here. I forgot what it's called, but it starts with a C. Me personally, I got fat ass hands, bro. I literally, like, it's a little hook thing right here. So there's a fat ass side of it. There's this, goddamn, bro, hold up. There's a little skinny side right there. All I need is this fat ass side because you're gonna be pulling this out. Me, I can't do it because, like I said, I got fat ass hands, so I got this little hook thing. Literally scoop it out. God damn. All right, so like I was saying, literally scoop it out. Once you pull it out, see, it'll stick out a little bit like that. Just take it out. Don't fucking lose that shit. You lose that shit, you're fucked. All right, so once that shit is out, your firing pin's loose. Or hold up, mine isn't that loose. But the firing pin comes out simple like that. Just pull that shit straight out. Make sure you don't lose that shit either. You lose that shit, no more bang bang for you, nigga. As you can see, we pulled out that little pin as well as the firing pin. Next thing we're gonna be taking out is this little black round thing at the end. So I'm gonna show you that. All right, so in order to get this piece out, we're gonna have to get this piece out first. So as you can see right now, it's like, it's a little crooked. All you're gonna wanna do is just make it so that's parallel or vertical, like parallel to the rest of this fucking internal shit. And then you simply just pull this shit up. Goddamn, almost lost that shit. Thank fucking God I did not. Then after that, you just pull this bitch out. There you go. As long as you're not a dumbass, it should have been very simple for you to get to this point. Got the lower, upper, charging handle, and all the fucking internal shit. All right, so now pretty much, now it's all separated. You can go ahead and clean it, throw in some modifications, whatever the fuck you want to do, anything you want. Like, it's basically separated now. You can put whatever the fuck you wanted to make it shoot better for your preference. Just as long as you don't put a fucking a brace in the back of this shit. Well, I mean, if you have an AR, you're fine, but you got an ARP. If you throw a brace on the back of that shit, boy, say goodbye to fucking, what, 10 years of life? I don't even remember what the fuck the law was. But back to the video, fuck the ATF, I'm not gonna talk about them. I apologize for that little rant. I don't know why I got so emotional about the ATF. That has nothing to do with me. I wasn't planning to put a brace on this shit anyways. All right, so let's get back to it. So basically what we're gonna need is this fat ass little fucking shit, the internal fucking thing. And then this little rocket ship looking motherfucker. So basically what we're gonna do is just put it right back into the thing from the side with the little dick at the top. We're gonna put it right in here. Gonna push it in there a little bit. And then you want it to be all the way in, like, what's it called? Because I know it also goes like this, or my fucking, where it sticks out a little bit. Now you want it all the way in so that you can align the hole with, not the part that's closest to the end, but this part right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's like two holes right here. There's one right here, and there's one right here. The one that's further in. Because you want that, you want to twist it so that the hole is like facing towards you so that you can see it through the top. Let me show you. So right here, you see that the hole from this, you can still see through it. Because what you're gonna do is take this little piece right here, and you're just gonna put it right back in there. So let me do that right quick. All right, so we got it back in there. We're gonna twist it like how we had it earlier. So it should look like that. Make sure you put in this back one, not the front one. I'm just gonna say it again. All right, so once you have that shit back in there, now we're putting the firing pin back in. So grab your little firing pin. A lot of people drop it through here. I don't know how you could do it because look, it's gonna fall out for me. Like, I'm gonna fuck it up. And there it goes, right on the fucking floor. For me personally, I have to do it from the side. I saw someone do it on YouTube from the top. I thought it was really cool, but you know, I'm not that cool. I guess it's only for like super cool people. All right, so yeah, get it to drop back in, push it down there. So now you can still see the firing pin sticking out a little bit. So all you need to do now, grab your little fucking shitty pin, the ugly one. I hate this pin, bro, because if you lose this one, it's like, god fucking damn, why did they make it this small, bro? Hold on, I'm about to go random again. Let me chill out. All right, so basically you grab this little pin. Your firing pin's already in that motherfucker. This is what secures the firing pin, so your firing pin doesn't fall out like that. So now I gotta put that shit back in again. Hold up. Oh my fucking lord. Why am I so fucking, my hands are so big, bro. All right, so the firing pin's back in there. Now we're putting this inside. So make sure you do it from the side with the big hole, like I said, because this side also connects to it right here, but you still want to use the big hole. All right, this part's kind of fucking annoying, so if it doesn't work for you the first time, just keep shoving that shit back in there and kind of spin it around, like twist it a little bit, because it's not supposed to be sticking out like this. I had it like this before. It's not supposed to fucking be like that. It's supposed to be all the way inside. So just twist around till it goes in. So now I got it in, you feel me? All right, now let's put this big shit back together. So first off, we're gonna put our charging handle back into the upper. So hold this bitch upside down with the fucking front right here. And what we're gonna do is kind of just align this with the bottom. So there's like a little dot, like a little plastic empty hollow dot in there. And then you just want to drop this back down there. I'm gonna show you a different angle so you can see it better. The easiest way to put it back, I figured this out for myself. I couldn't find it on fucking YouTube, bro, because I was struggling for 10 goddamn minutes trying to figure out how to put a charging handle in, which is actually like for fucking babies. It's so easy. So you see that little dot right there and the little thick part of this, the charging handle, you're gonna want to line those up. So basically, stick it in a little bit and then just kind of push it down a little bit until it gets in there. Hold up. So you see how it snapped in? Then after that, then it's good. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but you just have to align it with that little indent right there, like right there. Once you do that, you kind of just push it in so it's like at the bottom. And then it should be good to slide and stuff like that. Push it a little bit in, but not too far in because you might fuck it up. All right, now we got the charging handle inside the upper. Now we're putting the internals back in. So first off, this shit will piss a lot of people off if you don't do this. Please pull that back. Like, I know it's like, it comes like this. Just pull it back like that. If you don't do it, you're gonna be struggling for 10 minutes just getting pissed off. If you don't know why you're gonna be pissed off, I'm not gonna explain it to you. Go ahead and get pissed off, bro, because I'm teaching you the right way, bro. I'm not gonna teach you the wrong way. So once it's pulled out, oh my god. Oh my god. Hold up. All right, so charging handle back in. Now we're just putting this shit back in. So this is upside down. The little dick at the end of it's upside down. You're gonna wanna align it with the charging handle. And then really just shove it back in. So it's both together like that. All right, now that your upper's got its charging handle and the internals are back inside of it, to put it back on, it's like Legos, bro. You literally just stack it back. Hold up. I was about to fuck up. You see, this is not my first time recording this, you feel me? Because I just fucked up again. This pin went back in, and I was like, why the fuck is it not going back? I just be a dumbass sometimes. So you gotta make sure your pins are still sticking out just like that. You literally just grab your top, put it down, push it back a little bit, and then where's my pins? Oh shit, hold up. And you just snap your pins back. And there you go. All done, just like that. So yeah, nigga, we're done fucking building this fucking shit. I'm probably drop a video of me shooting this shit. Matter of fact, before I drop a video of me shooting this shit, my next video is gonna be just a whole little collection of different guns I own and stuff, and other guns I'm planning to get and shit like that. I'd be going to like the fucking the gun shows out Chantilly, Virginia, bro. So might make a video out there or some shit, maybe a vlog or something. I don't really know, bro. This is my third fucking video, bro. I don't even know. But yeah, that's basically it. But But yeah, that's it for this video, man. Stay safe, stay dangerous, stay tight. Shit. And like and subscribe, bro. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.